Hello. In this session, we'll see a question based on adjoint of matrix. So let's say we have to find adjoint A where A is a second order matrix 1, 3, 0, 4. So we have to find adjoint A, that is adjoint 1, 3, 0, 4. So let's say this matrix is having elements A11, A12, A21 and A22. On the positions, that is the odd and even position, which we decide by summing up the ith and jth thing, we can say that this is going to be plus, minus, minus, plus. This is just for the help to find the relation between minor and cofactor. Now we'll start with finding the minors. So let's say the first minor M11. This can be found by eliminating the first row and the first column. So we'll be left with only one element, and that is A22. So that means this M11 will become A22 and this is 4. Now here itself we can find the cofactor C11, and since C11 this position is even position, so we can directly write this will be equal to M11, which is 4. Now similarly, finding M12, we'll be removing the second column and first row, so we'll be left with this element A21. So this is going to be A21, which is 0 in our matrix. Now we can see that this A21, now we can see that this M12 is an odd position, so because of which the cofactor will be negative of the minor. So C12 is minus of M12, which will be 0 itself. Now secondly, M1. Now minor M21 will be obtained by removing the second row and first column. So we'll be left with the element A12. So this minor is A12, and in our matrix A12 is 3. Now checking the position, we can see that this position is odd position, and therefore the cofactor C21 will be minus of M21, which will be minus of 3. Now M22 obtained by removing the second row and second column, we will have only element A11. So that means M22 is equal to A11, which is 1. And C22, we can see that it is even position. So C22 will be equal to M22, and this is 1. Therefore, finding the cofactor matrix, which is C11, C12, C21, C22. This may be sometimes written as A11, A12, A21 and A22. So as we have already found the cofactors, this is going to be 4, 0, negative 3 and 1. Now the adjoint A will be transpose of this matrix formed by the cofactors. So this is 4, 0, negative 3, 1, and transpose of this, which will be 4, negative 3, 0 and 1. Therefore, we have found the cofactor matrix and then the adjoint matrix. So, adjoint A is the matrix with element 4, negative 3, 0 and 1. So this is how we have found the adjoint of a second order matrix. Thank you.